Unlock your earnings potential joining the Walmart affiliate program. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I'll talk about Walmart affiliate program and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what Walmart affiliate program is, it's a marketing initiative offered by Walmart that allows you to earn commission by promoting Walmart products on your website, blog, or social media channels. Participants in this program, known as affiliates, receive unique tracking links that they can use to promote Walmart's vast range of products. When a customer makes a purchase through an affiliate's link, the affiliate earns a commission on the sale. The program provides affiliates with access to various marketing tools, reporting dashboards, and support resources to help you to succeed in promoting Walmart products and maximizing your earning. First of all, you need to open your web browser and navigate to the Walmart by typing walmart.com. As you can see, we have here Walmart is offering a range of products every day, including groceries, clothing, electronics, and more with low prices. And as I mentioned earlier, you can earn money through the Walmart affiliate program by promoting Walmart products on your website, blogs, social media channel. But how we can do that? Wherever you are, wherever the country you come from, you can become a Walmart affiliate. So let's talk more about the affiliate program. For that, you can come over here to this web page, which is affiliates.walmart.com. Here we have informations. If you want more details about the affiliate program, here we have if you want to earn commissions, become a Walmart affiliate by signing up. So here is the step. You can get started by signing up, then you connect your audience to products they love, and then you will earn your money. Here we have a few or the advantages of being a member in this program. You'll receive a weekly newsletter with banner link and information. You'll also receive access to the affiliate member center, and also you'll also have to see part of the Walmart.com affiliate account team member. As you can see, here we have security and privacy. If you click here, it will lead you to this web page. As you can see, here we have a lot of information if you want to more understand about this website. Then we have here term and condition. You can just click over here and you will, as you can see here we have a lot of information about this program. Coming back to this FAQs, frequently asked questions. Here we have questions that are frequently asked with their answers if you want to more understand the website. Moving to the home page, let's see how to sign up. So first of all, if you want to sign up on this website, you can just click here, sign up, and then you will get first one, user information. You need to fill in first name, last name, email, confirm your email address, username, and password. Then confirm your password. You should fill in this field. To move to the next step is company information. As you can see, next step is the company information. You need to fill in your account display name, your website, your street address, your apartment suites. It's optional, by the way. City and state, then your zip code, your country, your phone number, time zone, and then the currency. After you finish filling this field, then you will move to the next one, or the next step is promotion and media. Then we have promotion and media. So first of all, you need to select the main promotional method and then the secondary promotional method, and finally promoting countries. So first of all, here we have main promotional method. We have here various one, content reviews, sale coupons, loyalty rewards, social influencer network and commerce solution, media arbitrage, cross audience monetization. So here you need to choose which one suits you more and which one you will need to earn money. Then after selecting your main promotional method, you need to select your secondary promotional method. For example, here we have a various one: email marketing, search engine marketing, loyalty rewards program, coupons and promotional marketing, blogs, news sites, or other syndicated networks, customer actions marketing, mobile apps, content reviews marketing, shopping platform and websites, social media influencer service provider or affiliate network, consumer software, and incentivized marketing, offline methods like TV and radio, other methods not listed, and cashback offers. So here, for example, we will explain email marketing to more understanding. We have here, for example, let's explain email marketing. If you have an email list, you can promote Walmart's products to your subscribers through targeted email campaigns, craft compelling email newsletters, or product recommendations that encourage subscribers to click on your affiliate links and make purchase. Let's see another one. For example, we have here social media influencer. So for social media promotion, you can use your social media channels if you have subscribers, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest to promote Walmart's product. Share affiliate links along with engaging caption, images, or videos that highlight the benefits or features of the product you're promoting. Once you've entered all the required information, review your application to ensure everything is accurate. Submit your application for review. After submitting your application, you'll need to wait for Walmart to review and approve it. This process may take some time, so be patient. Once your application is approved, you'll receive access to your affiliate dashboard. Here you'll find tools and resources to help you get started with promoting Walmart products and tracking your earnings. Then, with your account approved and dashboard access granted, you can begin promoting Walmart products on your website, blogs, or social media channels using the affiliate links provided in your dashboard. By following this step, you can sign up for the Walmart affiliate program and start earning money by promoting Walmart product online. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.